Well, hey guys, I'm gonna show you my progress on the front end loader that I'm building currently. It's right now, I think like day 6. I've been working on this, and yeah, I did finish a lot of the frame parts now, past 2 days. Did some welding everywhere. And I think the welds are a bit better now because I did get some other electrodes, so they should be a bit better, I guess. I don't want to really show up close, but I'm not sure if you can see anything, but there's something there, and well, yeah, this is not beautiful. I mean, this is just lazy. No extra comment needed there. And I'm hoping that this will hold, hopefully. I also added a bit support on the main frame. I don't know why this focusing shit is going on right now. It's kind of weird. And this is supposed to help this weld here so it won't break. I did go over this like 10 times. So it's kind of thick, I think. It looks like, well, something, but this is something else. Fuck off, autofocus. Okay, you should be better now. Yeah, and on that side also, I still have some bottom sides to weld, like these corners. And yeah, I also beefed up this foundation, added some support on the sides, also supported this so the mast won't kind of move left and right. Hopefully this will do the job. Also welded it to the main frame of the tractor, so this should be pretty good, I guess. And yeah, I removed the headlights from here, and I also welded this steel here because I will add another support coming from here that will kind of be welded to here, so it will help the mast from going that way or that way, so it's kind of locked all the way. This is pretty nice system that I added here. Basically this will go through this steel plate, this box iron, and this steel plate, and there's also welded tubing in there, so there's literally no play. This is like strongly in place, and I'm not sure if you can see, but I did add, yeah, you cannot see it, I added a greasing option. There's a greasing nipple there, so I can squeeze grease on the side, as you can see. Also on this side you can see the grease is coming out. Yeah, so I still have a lot of work to do. For example, I need to get the hydraulic cylinders so I can connect the main cylinders somewhere here. I'm not sure yet, but I will get the cylinders first, and then we will see how it will go. Finished up this side also, well, almost. I only welded these plates. As you can see, there's only a little weld here, nothing here. I will get some more electrodes, a bit thicker this time, and then hopefully I can weld this shut also. All the support is here, just need to be welded shut. yeah, this is not working. Anyway, I'm gonna try the one cylinder solution for the center pulley here. If that's not gonna work well, then I'm gonna get dual, because I have seen other people use dual hydraulic cylinders, one for here and one here, but I think I'm gonna go with center because I think I don't need dual, considering the maximum payload for this is like maybe 500 kilos, or that's like half a ton. So I don't need that much juice. And yeah, luckily I have one hydraulic option that is available currently, and I have to take the other hydraulic lever or option from this. So I will have to put back a manual pulley here on the rear. I have a manual pulley right there on the wall. So this cylinder, by the way, will probably go to the center if I don't decide to get two of them. And yeah, sadly this tractor only has 3 outputs for the hydraulic systems, and currently I'm using 2 and 1 is free, so I need at least 2 for the loader. So I have to sacrifice something, but I'm sure I can add more hydraulic options later in the future, but currently I'm gonna stick with this plan. So yeah, now I'm gonna get some cylinders. I did the measurements and I need the cylinders, hoses, all that junk, and I think by the time next week, same time next week, I will be able to lift this up first time. Hopefully it won't kinda collapse. If you guys have any good ideas how to finish this plate off, then I would be more than happy to read them, and I would be grateful, because currently I have basically made up, or basically I'm gonna go with the idea that I'm gonna add some steel blades here, drill a hole through them, and then kinda connect the bucket here, also here somewhere here also. I need the exact measurements for this, but if I want to add anything else here, then that option will not work. So I need some kind of adjustable option that will gonna give me movement over here on this plate. Can't really figure it out right now. I need to do some research, but if you guys have any good options, then that would be cool. And yeah, so see you next week, I guess, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.